What's up mga ka-YouTube? Welcome na naman sa bagong video. Nakakatakot dito dahil madilim dito. Hulaan nyo na lang kung nasaan ako ngayon. So guys, parang hindi talaga makikita ang mukha ko dito. So kailangan ko nang umalis. Kailangan ko nang magpakita. Kailangan ko nang gawin ang video na to. Okay guys, see you guys. See you! Bago ang lahat, shoutout pala sa ating sponsor na si Rachel Mendoza. So yun guys, panoorin nyo na lang ang susunod na video na to. Ayun guys, thank you. Hindi na ako makahinga sa loob ng karton na to. So kailangan na nating lumabas at ayusin na natin ang doorbell. Okay? So let's go! Sponsor natin sa video na ito ay walang iba kundi si Rachel Mendoza. Ganda. Hello guys, today we are going to unpack the package. Let's see what's inside. Oh, so we are going to install a HD smart video doorbell. So let's see how to install it guys. So just showing it to you. So here, of course, you got the manual, back case that will be attached to the wall or door. There's a charger. It includes this one. This so should be going to be like this. Yeah, so one, that's the microphone. This is the microphone, and this is the lens, indicator light, this one, motion sensor is this one on top, hidden infrared somewhere here, light sensor here as well, doorbell button somewhere here, this one as you can see, speaker is this one here, and we got at the back we got USB port and also the battery slot here. Okay guys, so let's go. So guys, when you charge the doorbell, you should take out the plastic somewhere here that has been already removed. Right, so you have to charge it for 8 hours before you using it. Right, so guys, basically there's a manual anyway, so you can see or you can learn how to install it. So let's go installation guys. So guys, I can't see how long is the battery will take, and because basically it's too much to read, so but it's been already charged for 8 hours, so hopefully it will take like 2 years or 3 years to finish off the battery. So alright guys, so I'm gonna move on. I'm just gonna install this one first into the wall, and then stick the tape at the back of this, and then stick them together like this one. So hopefully when the battery finish, hopefully it's easy to remove.
6.5 hours later.
Hi guys, so just continuing the video. That doorbell says long battery life and also weather resistant, night vision, two-way audio, which is you can speak to each other, which is one. If somebody ringing the bell, and then you can speak to them. And also it's a wide angle lens, and it's got also notifications, and it's got 1080p videos. Alright, and this one, guys, you need to plug this one inside somewhere in your house, so that if somebody ringing the bell, you can hear the bell from outside, and then you just press the button. You press the button, or this one, you can see that you press that one for the sounds, and also you can speak to them as well. Look, there's a volume here on the other side of it. And yeah, so let's go. Hi guys, so just continuation from my video. I done installing it outside, as you can see. So it's like when you pressing it, so there's a sound somewhere up here. So this is like the speaker. So like when somebody pressing there, it's gonna, so that sound will come up, and you can hear it all over the house. So also, guys, I already installed it on my phone. So when somebody knock on the door, like if someone pressing the doorbell, I can hear it as well, and I also receiving a notification where if I'm at work or you're away. So it's quite really friendly, and it's just easy to install. So guys, thank you for watching, and peace out.
6.5 hours later.
That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. So guys, that's all about the video. So I need to end up video now, because we're going to have a dinner. So see you in my next coming videos. See you. Bye.